Today, we are solving WASSCE June 2021 Question 8a. This question is about a solid metal cylinder that is melted and recast into smaller solid cylinders. The large metal cylinder is melted and recast into many smaller cylinders. The shape changes, but the total volume of metal is conserved. The question says that a solid metal cylinder has height 6 m and diameter 28 cm. It is melted and recast into smaller solid cylinders. Each smaller cylinder is 14 cm high and 0.5 cm in diameter. We are asked to find how many smaller cylinders were obtained. We are also told to take pi equals 22/7. V large equals NV small. And equals number of smaller cylinders. Melted and recast. Implies volume is conserved. V large equals NV small. N equals V large over V small. Be careful with units. Six m. (28 cm). 14 cm. 0.5 cm. 1 m equals 100 cm. 6 m equals 6/100 cm. 6 m equals 600 cm. V equals pi r squared. R equals radius. H equals height. Radius equals diameter over 2. Diameter of large cylinder equals 28 cm. Radius of large cylinder equals 28/2 cm. Radius of large cylinder equals 14 cm. Height of large cylinder equals 6 m. Continue the aligned calculation. The next steps are shown one line at a time. V large equals pi r squared. Pi equals 22 over 7. R equals 14 cm. H equals 600 cm. V large equals pi r squared. Substitute the known side lengths. V large equals 22 over 714 squared 600. V large equals 22 over 7,196,600. V large equals 2228,600. Continue the aligned calculation. The next steps are shown one line at a time. Diameter of smaller cylinder equals 0.5 cm. Radius of smaller cylinder equals 0.5 over 2 cm. Radius of smaller cylinder equals 0.25 cm. Height of smaller cylinder equals 14 cm. If this explanation is helping, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now consider this step. Don't forget to like and subscribe. V small equals pi r squared. Pi equals 22 over 7. R equals 0.25 cm. H equals 14 cm. V small equals pi r squared. Substitute the known side lengths. V small equals 22 over 70.25 squared 14. V small equals 22 over 70.0625 14. V small equals 22 0.06252. Continue the aligned calculation. The next steps are shown one line at a time. V large equals NV small. N equals V large over V small. V large equals 369,600 cm cubed. V small equals 2.75 cm cubed. N equals V large over V small. N equals 369,600 over 2.75. equals 134,400. So the number of smaller cylinders obtained is 134,400. We can write the final answer as 134,400 smaller cylinders. This framed result is the final answer for the question. Alternative method, volume ratio. N equals pi r squared h over pi r squared. N equals pi 14 to the power of 2 600 over pi 0.25 to the power of 2 14. Substitute the known side lengths. N equals 14 squared 600 over 0.25 squared 14. N equals 196 600 over 0.062 514. N equals 117,600 over 0.875. Continue the aligned calculation. The next steps are shown one line at a time. To summarize, R equals 14, cm h equals 600, cm large R equals 0.25, cm h equals 14, cm the key equations are shown on the screen. To summarize, small n equals 369,600 over 2.75. The key equations are shown on the screen. To summarize, for the large cylinder, the radius is 14 cm and the height is 600 cm. The volume of the large cylinder is 369,600 cm cubed. For one smaller cylinder, the radius is 0.25 cm and the height is 14 cm. The volume of one smaller cylinder is 2.75 cm cubed. Dividing the two volumes gives 134,400. This is the final answer. Exam tip. Melted and recast means volume is conserved. Always convert all lengths to the same unit. Radius equals diameter over 2. Show the solids. Convert units. Find both volumes. Divide to get the number. Show the solids, convert units, find both volumes, and divide to get the number of smaller cylinders. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more step-by-step mathematics lessons.